right now in the West Jaintia is about 34 kilometers left, and Khasi is about maybe 7 or 8 kilometers.
And in Garo Hills also there is, I believe.
In Garo Hills is almost completed. Maybe only few stretches which is there, but of course the discussion today is more in the West Jaintia, East Jaintia, and also Khasi Hills. I have a meeting today for reviewing the status of the boundary fencing. It's one of the factor is because of that. We really wanted to complete those portion where the fencing is still lying incomplete. We would like to complete it at least possible, because by having the fencing, you know well that the BSF personnel and the agencies of the state government or the central government can easily monitor as far as the infiltration of those people from outside the country is concerned. Quite a number of issues which is ultimately reached to the conclusion that the deputy commissioners concerned will walk out, will sit down again with the stakeholders. Like in West Jaintia Hills, we have about a stretch of 30 or 35 kilometers stretch where ultimately we do have the challenges with the land issue. So now I've instructed all the the deputy commissioners, be it East Jaintia Hills, be it West Jaintia Hills, and also the other district, to again revisit and to consider this issue as a topmost priority, because you know well the situation in the in the country as a whole, and especially for us, the northeastern state, which is bordering to Bangladesh, is not that conducive. So we really wanted to make sure that the fencing, the boundary fencing, needs to be completed at the latest.